Right, I'm Dunlop from the migrant team in Manchester. And I was going to talk about Ruby on Rails this and Apache that, but then I thought you should all ask yourself this one important question, which is, does my software look like this, right? Because on the method box program, for the first 3 months of its life, it pretty much did, right? And then we took it out for a road test and the handling was really bad. Now, why did this happen? It's because we forgot one really important thing. We forgot about the users, right? We knew who the customer was, but we forgot about the user, the people who actually drive this thing down the coalface. So we basically had to have a complete rethink. We went out and we talked to them, and now we're not so good at soft skills, so we actually hired somebody who does this for a living, professional, to go out and elicit the requirements, etc., and to find out what it was they actually wanted. That's what we thought they wanted. Turns out we were wrong. So because you can see Homer's really happy, right? He loves that car. But you know what the problem is? It costs the company an absolute fortune to develop, right? It costs you 84 grand a pop to buy it. It's feature packed, but you don't want to use any of those features. So you got to get and ask your users, what do you really want? You don't just ask them once, you ask them continually. Because once you've got those users, right, they're your most precious commodity. You've got to hold on to them. So you've got to go out and you've got to ask them what they want, keep asking them what they want. When you develop it, go back and ask them just what you really wanted, and do it incrementally. So we go out almost constantly. Every couple of months we stick some software on a server somewhere, we let them know it's there, we go and show them some development builds, releases, not just in this, in all our projects actually. And we find out, do you like this? Does it do what you want? Because, let's say it's a 2-year project. Well, there's nothing worse than in month 23 you release the software, find out it's bug-ridden, there's no features that anybody wants to use, right? Your project's a failure then. It's better to find out in month 3, 5, 9, 12, whatever, that you're not quite on target. So you've actually got time to pull it back and make things right. It's only 2 minutes 50, gosh, I'm racing through this. So really, as I say, you probably know who your customer is because I've written your proposal. You probably don't have a clue who your user is. You're not going to have a clue who your user is unless you go out there and do some legwork and find them. And once you find them, right, hold on to them. Email them. When's the last time you emailed your user base and actually said, oh, hey, we're still here, we still exist, we're still doing stuff. Here's what's going to be released next month. Get them excited, get them to come back. There's nothing better, right? If you're a software developer, one, you want to see people use it. But it's kind of cool when you go and look at your Apache logs and you see there's these massive spikes every time you go and drop some emails, right? And it's even better if you can sustain these little spikes as well. They do tail off normally, but it was alluded to earlier with Steve's talk. Basically build it and they will not come, because they won't even know it exists. So you've got to go out there and tell them that it's there, because it's not Hollywood, right? So basically, don't waste your time writing software that nobody's going to use. Don't waste your time writing software that looks like that, right? Basically, put your time to good use, build your community, keep your community going. You've got lots of tools, email, you can use your wikis, you can blog about stuff, you can tweet about stuff. In fact, people are tweeting about this talk right now, yeah? No. And Skype them, Messenger, Java, build that community, keep it, build them something they actually want to use. That's it, thank you very much.
Great, thank you.